Kutir is a resort which is focus which focuses on experiences. Is the beauty of Taj Chia Kutir is the location. It is very conveniently connected to Baghdogra. It's an hour's drive from there, which is convenient for families to come in. Second is the experiences that we offer in and around the hotel that makes it quite unique. Like our treks and trails is picnics, visit to the tea garden, Makebadi tea factory, our Shonargaon restaurant, the Himalayan food, different cuisines that we offer, a great spa that we have in the hotel. Well, these are the experiences that bundle up and make a vacation very memorable. We have a great Jiva spa. So Jiva spa focuses on various treatments, which are full body. We have specialized treatments and that are signature to Chia Kutir. And we have packages which is as called Energize, which is focused on Jiva. Uh, it is a combination of spa treatments and the food which is combined together to create this holistic experience. We have now unique dining experiences that the guests can choose. For example, you are celebrating something then, and we have certain spots the guests can choose. And in the middle of the tea estate, you can have food on machan, like a lunch on machan, or you can just sit in a place, read a book which will be in middle of nowhere, something of that sort. But in long term, we want to add some more rooms. I feel there is a huge demand for rooms, especially families who are traveling. They want to stay together, or two-bedroom suite, or a couple of more suites will help us. I think that is also in the pipeline to definitely come. Have Chia Veranda, which serves international as well as local. Our focus is going to be local. We are launching a new menu. So when I say local, it's not only from the region, but it is the Himalayan food from Sikkim, from Assam, I mean, around the region. So it is, but a lot of our guests who come here, they have travelled well. And they want to have authentic Italian, Mexican, and something of that sort. So probably we'll have an international food, or something which is trendy like a fusion that will come up. I think this tea lounge is one of my favorite places, and we want to convert this into a beautiful bar in the evening. A lot of guests come in. Our tea connoisseur does tea tasting here. It's a quiet corner in the hotel, and it has nice sunlight. It has a library. You can sit and read undisturbed. Have a close conversation with your family. So I think this is one of the best places in the hotel, and you can see the chandelier as well. I think Mr. Lote is an art connoisseur, and he knows what to do where, and he has he is a master in it. So the collection which is here, which you see in the Chia Lounge, these are pictures of all the tea houses of the country, coffee houses. So they are picked up from various places. So that creates the theme. In fact, if you go to the spa, there is beautiful katha work that is being framed. In the corridors, these are book covers, which is his personal collection that has been put. So you will find a lot of art within the hotel. Behind the reception, these are 164 tiles from Vishnupur. Our Shonargaon has a lot of pottery that has come from Vishnupur, and because the place serves the cuisine of that's why it has got that kind of a feel. So a lot of artwork within the hotel. Chia Kutir is not a resort, or it's a lifestyle experience that you would want to come and do it at least once. It's, and we are not a hotel which is where you can come check in and just go. This is the experiences that we are in, and you will have some experience when you come to the hotel, that will become your memory, and you would want to come back or send your friends. And we usually don't talk about hotels and resorts, we only talk about experiences.